Hey everybody, welcome back. This is part 2 of our top 10 high impact planters resilient container designs. Now in part 1, we looked at 5 planter ideas built around pollinators, edible growing, biodiversity, and a smart use of space. Today we're finishing the list with 5 more designs inspired by the garden trends we researched for this season. That means resilient plants, water-wise choices, bold color stories, dramatic style, and beautiful solutions for both sun and shade. Now we curated these planter ideas to give you real inspiration that you can adapt to your own porch, patio, or garden space. And in today's lineup, it includes a far West Texas native, low maintenance sun lovers, Lush shade containers, Moody Gothic style, and one of the standout color trends for 2026. So let's go ahead and get started with the design that celebrates tough, beautiful plants built for the Southwest. This is Western Sun. This design celebrates the beauty of plants that know how to handle the real heat, real wind, and long dry stretches. This planter is inspired by the far West Texas high desert, where resilience isn't optional, it's built into the landscape. The trend here is using hardy, water-wise plants that still bring strong seasonal color and a welcoming front entry presence. The result is bright, cheerful, and tough enough for challenging conditions, proof that resilient gardens can still feel full of life. For this design, we use soft leaf yucca, Gazania Aztec treasure, Mexican bird of paradise, and desert marigold. Our next design is built for hot spots, bright exposure, and gardeners who want strong looks with less upkeep. This style reflects the trend of desert modernism, clean sculptural planting with drought-tolerant choices that hold up beautifully throughout the season. These containers are great for curb appeal because many of them offer multi-season structure, texture, and color. It's bold, efficient, and a smart reminder that full sun can be one of the best places to garden. For this design, we used Mongave, Pink Autumn Sage, Texas Sage Silverado Mini, Fishhook Barrel Cactus, Ocean Sunset Ice Plant, and Lantana Camara Teeny Genie. Now, not every planter needs full sun. Our shady Serenity design is all about creating a cool layered retreat in low light spaces. The trend here is designing with texture, calm color, and natural forms to turn shade into an asset instead of a limitation. This kind of container can feel peaceful, lush, and highly intentional near patios, porches, or tucked garden corners. The result is elegant, calming, and proof that shade gardens can have just as much impact as sunny ones. For this design, we use Japanese anemone, maple, ice and roses hellebore, Hakone grass, and cloud prune cypress for structure. Back in Black leans into one of the boldest design trends this season, dramatic planting with deep tones, layered foliage, and moody contrast. This look blends Gothic style with lush abundance, creating a planter that feels rich, expressive, and a little rebellious. It also features one of 2026 Plants of the Year, the Night Rider Lily, known for its dark, striking presence. It's a reminder that spring doesn't always have to be a pastel. For this design, we used Starship Burgundy Cardinal Flower, Night Rider Lily, Silver Heart Brunera, Dahlia Karma Chocolate, Fishnet Stockings Coleus, Persian Lily, and Panier Suspendu Coleus. Our pale pink design reflects one of the softest trends of the season, calming color, gentle texture, and understated beauty. This style blends vintage charm with modern simplicity, creating a container that feels comforting, elegant, and easy to live with. It's also a nice example of how softer pastels can still make a strong visual statement. For this design, we used miniature rose nozomi and a caladium pink splash for delicate blooms with luminous foliage. The result is graceful, welcoming, and a beautiful way to close out the list. And there you have it, the final 5 designs in our top 10 high impact planters series. From hardy natives and sun-loving containers to lush shade designs, bold statement planters, and soft seasonal color, we hope these ideas gave you some fresh inspiration for spring. So let us know in the comments what plant varieties or container styles you'd like to see in our next designs. We'd love to hear from you, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you back here in the next one.